Did you know that every 39 seconds, there's a cyber attack happening somewhere in the world? Yeah, that's right. It's like every time you blink, someone's trying to breach a system or steal data. Crazy, right? So, what's the deal with cybersecurity? Well, in today's digital world, it's super important for everyone, whether you're just browsing social media or running a business. If you don't care about cybersecurity, you should start, because it affects our privacy, finances, and even our peace of mind. Let's dive into why we should all be paying attention to this topic. Now let's talk about the common threats out there. First up, we have phishing. You know, those sneaky emails that look legit but are actually trying to steal your information. Yeah, they're everywhere. Then there's malware. These nasty little programs can sneak onto your computer and wreak havoc, like stealing your files or even spying on you. And let's not forget identity theft. Imagine someone stealing your personal information and pretending to be you. Scary stuff. The risks are real, and they can happen to anyone, so it's crucial to be aware and take action. All right, let's get into some essential cybersecurity concepts that can help you stay safe. First off, strong passwords are a must. Think of them as your first line of defense. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using easily guessable info like birthdays. Next, have you heard of two-factor authentication? It's like a double lock on your door. Even if someone gets your password, they'll need a second piece of information to get in. Super handy. And then there's safe browsing. Always check if the website URL starts with HTTPS. That little means it's secure. These practical tips are easy to implement and can make a big difference in protecting yourself online. Now let's talk about a real-world example to really drive the point home. Remember the Equifax data breach back in 2017? Over 147 million people had their personal information exposed. We're talking social security numbers, credit card details, the whole shebang. The aftermath was wild. People faced identity theft, credit issues, and a ton of stress. This incident shows just how serious cyber threats can be, not just for businesses, but for individuals like you and me. It's a wake-up call to take cybersecurity seriously. So to wrap things up, we've covered a lot today. Cybersecurity is essential in our lives, and being aware of threats like phishing, malware, and identity theft is the first step. We also discussed practical tips like using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and safe browsing habits. Remember, being proactive can save you a ton of trouble down the line. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out my other videos on cybersecurity topics, and I'd love to hear from you. Share your own experiences or any questions you have about staying safe online in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going.